Okay, this is the assignment Westward expansion map. What you need to do is color in this map here, okay? So if you see this map, it has the names of it. So we have Oregon Country, Mexican Cession, Gadsden Purchase, Louisiana Purchase. We have an 1818 up here, Texas Annexation, and this is the United States in 1783. And then there's the Spanish Cession. What you need to do is color in each one of these, okay? So for Louisiana Purchase, you're going to color that orange. That is going to be right here. So color that in orange. You can pause this and then come back when you're done coloring, or keep listening to hear all the directions. Brown is going to be the land above the Louisiana Purchase. So that's that 1818 here. This is going to be brown up here, okay? The next one we have, as we scroll down, we have green, the Spanish Cession. And that is going to be green. So we're looking for Spanish Cession. And that is going to be right down here, what looks like mostly Florida. That is going to be that light green color. Okay, scrolling back down, we're at the Texas Annexation. So this is red. So we're looking for Texas Annexation. Here's Texas here. So all of this is going to be that red. I didn't mention this at the beginning, but when you're coloring, use the highlighter instead of the marker, because we can see through the highlighter and you don't have to worry about coloring around these, okay? So Texas Annexation here is red. Okay, I'm scrolling back down again. The next color we have, this is a dark green, okay? This is Oregon Country, okay? And we'll scroll back up to the map. Dark green is going to be Oregon Country, and that's up here. Okay, we're scrolling back down again. Then we have the Mexican Cession, and that is yellow. So you're going to color that yellow. Let's scroll back up to the map. Mexican Cession, that is going to be right here. That is going to be yellow. So color that yellow. Scrolling down again. We have brown, the Gadsden Purchase. So we do have brown twice, but they're far away from each other. And this is the Gadsden Purchase down here. Okay. I think that is it for the coloring. The last part here, I already colored this for you. So you can actually look at this map and the other one that we did above. They should look the same. And then there's 3 questions. Okay. And you're just making a best guess answer. So any answer here is going to be fine. So which territories obtained by the United States was the most important and why? So if you look at that map, what do you think is the most important? Blue is what they already had. What other chunk of land that they added on do you think is most important? And make a guess why. Maybe you think because it's a good place for growing crops. Maybe you think it's near an ocean. Maybe it's because it's close to Mexico or close to Canada. So you pick the territory obtained by the United States that was most important. And remember, those names of them are up here. So you're just going to pick which one you think is most important and give us the reason why. Okay, I'm scrolling back down again. Sorry about all the scrolling. Explain what made it possible for the U.S. to obtain all the land over the years. How is the U.S. able to get that land? What did they do to get it? The answer for this one is going to be treaties, money, or war. Okay, treaties, money, and war. Letter C is going to be make a connection between the westward expansion map and one of these words: power, growth, identity, and conflict, by writing a statement that connects them. Well, we know that the United States used power to grow by fighting in wars or buying things. Okay, that is all you have to do for this assignment, and then get that turned in. The most important thing is get that coloring part of it done and at least answer letter A here. Okay, that is it. Take care.